I want to talk about hydrogen for health benefit because hydrogen was discovered to reduce free radicals and reactive oxygen species ROS significantly. And this is big because free radicals is the thing that give us oxidative stress, which results in damaging cells, so the cells eventually dies. And imagine our entire body were made up of cells, therefore atoms, and free radicals is the atom used to be healthy atoms that actually lost one of its electron, which is supposed to be paired. Imagine the atom being sphere, right? And inside the sphere is a void. It's a vacuum space. There's nothing. It's an empty void, vacuum space. An electron, neutron, and whatever is moving around inside that sphere, vacuum space. In one of it, the electron is supposed to be paired, but the regular, really ordinary activity we do as an adult actually cause atoms, healthy atoms, to lose one of electron and become very imbalanced, very unhappy, and then become radical, become villain. Very aggressive and try to steal its missing electron from other healthy atoms, which cause actually damaged cells. So basically it could become cause for all kind of health issues and possible illness, because imagine the human bodies and everywhere, everything is made up of cells. So free radicals could attack any part of our body. It could be our bone, it could be our skins, it could be our intestine, it could be our brain. So it is a big deal. It sounds kind of scary, but the other side of the story is that if we could reduce free radicals every day continuously, significantly, if not completely eliminate them, then actually that means we could actually prevent or even treat any kind of illness, because the scientists and the researcher also had discovered that many kind of illness is combination of free radical oxidative stress and something else. So if we are able to reduce free radicals and then reactive oxygen species ROS, then that really means we could prevent all kind of illness, health issues, and even treat. So it is a big deal. And this was actually discovered in 2007 for the first time, and it was published in a Nature Medicine magazine or something. That is very famous, prestigious magazine in the medical field. And then Dr. Ota wrote the paper for the first time about hydrogen being, health beneficial agent. And then actually the hydrogen is most abundant atoms and also molecules in the entire universe. It is very available and it's natural, so it doesn't have a side effect. No researches had found any side effects so far. But what amazing thing is, unlike medicine, it works for all kinds of organs and many kind of health issues. With the traditional medicine, it only works for one particular organ, one particular specific issue, but it comes with all kind of unwanted side effects. So hydrogen is actually opposite. There's no side effects, zero side effect, but it works beneficial for all kinds of organs and all sorts of issues. So it is almost like too good to be true, but it is true, it's natural. And after 2007, Dr. Ota published this paper, many scientists and medical researchers were inspired by his discoveries. There has been more than 3,000 research papers, scholarly paper had been published today, and 3,000 paper has been repeatedly proven that Dr. Ota's assumption was correct. And also, in addition to that, a lot of papers, a lot of discovery had been made, additional benefits of hydrogen for health benefit. And guess what? The hydrogen not only prevent or treat all sorts of illness, but also it prevent aging. Basically, free radicals and reactive oxidant species damaging cell, killing cell is the main cause of sign of aging. That some people has more free radical oxidative stress, so some people have sometimes see rapid sign of aging. But scientists and researchers actually have found that hydrogen consumption can actually reduce biological marker within the cells.